Now that you've enjoyed your juice, it's time for the least favorite part for anyone, the cleaning process. First, twist the drum lid counterclockwise to unlock and remove. Next, simply twist the juicing screw and pull up to remove. Then lift and remove the juicing bowl with the strainer inside. Wash and rinse away the pulp on all pieces. Use the juicer brush to brush out the pulp residue on the strainer. Unplug the compression silicone, rinse and wash out the pulp. Wash and rinse out the pulp inside the bottom of the juicing screw. Lastly, set all the pieces aside and let them dry. If you have any questions, please feel free to visit our website or contact us directly.